Mr. Furman. I just wanted to ask, how do you pronounce Emirate Xaaron? Is it Xaaron or Xaaron or
No,
how do you pronounce that?
It's definitely Xaaron. You've got it right. I mean,
all right, thank you very much.
My question is, what exactly classifies a character as a vast predatory bird?
Pretty much anything, really. A good shadow on the wall would be a vast predatory bird, I'm afraid. But no, I'm well aware that I sometimes overuse some of these descriptions. But it's become quite a feature of I've been writing the scripts for the auto-assembly voice act of dramas, and they're kind of dotted now with Furmanisms deliberately. So it's become kind of part of my repertoire now, which is nice. But yeah, I don't know, I haven't really got a classification for a vast predatory bird, but Thunderwing I think was one. But then that kind of, he looks like one, hovering above the ground. I'm very aware of these now.